Hello everyone, today we are going to see the word problem based on volume of cube and cuboid. Here one icebox is given whose length, breadth and height are given. We have to accommodate ice cubes inside it. So we have to see how many ice cubes we can accommodate in this ice box. Problem is an ice box is having length 60 centimeter, breadth 40 centimeter and height 50 centimeter. The thickness of the wall of the box, this thickness of the wall of the box is 2 centimeter. Find how many ice cubes can be accommodated in it. If an ice cube is having length of 2 centimeter, ice cube is a cube figure, so it is having same length, breadth and height. Its length is given 2 centimeter, so 2 multiplied by 2 or 2 cube is equal to 8. Is the 8 centimeter cube is the volume of the ice cube. We have to find out the volume of the ice box. Internal volume we have to find out. Outside dimensions are given 60, 40 and 30. First of all, we have to find out the inside length of this ice cube, inside breadth and inside height. Now 60 is the outside length. Here 2 centimeter will cut, here 2 centimeter will cut. So 60 minus 2 is what? 56. Same way 40 minus 4, 60 minus 4 is 56. Then 40 minus 4 is 36 and 50 minus 4 is 46. That will be the internal length and height and breadth of the this ice box. Now first of all, solution. What you have to do first? First we have to find the internal length of ice box is equal to 60 minus 2 from here, 2 from here. So 60 minus 4 is equal to 56 centimeter. Then find out internal after length you find out breadth of ice box. This is a breadth. Internal breadth is 40. This 40 minus 2 minus 2. So 40 minus 4 is equal to 36 centimeter. Then you find out internal height of an ice box is equal to, what is the height is given? Height given is 50. 50 minus, this is 2 centimeter, this is 2 centimeters. So 50 minus 4 is equal to 46 centimeter. Now we got the length, breadth and height. So find out internal volume of an ice box. Okay, internal volume is length into breadth into height is equal to 56 into 36 into 46. That you multiply 56 into 36, whatever comes you multiply it with 46, you will get 92,736 centimeter cube, because it is a volume. Okay, then find out the volume of one ice cube is equal to L cube. L cube is equal to 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. 8 centimeter cube is volume. Now you have to find out the number of cubes. How many cubes you can put inside this box? So for finding out number of cubes that can be accommodated in the ice box is equal to internal volume of an ice box upon volume of one ice cube is equal to 92,736 divided by 8, and you divide this with 8, you will get 11,592. That many numbers of ice cubes can be accommodated, you can fill inside this ice box.